You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing Chinese names pronounced, make sure to stay tuned. We've got many more videos coming up. I'll link to a few at the end of this one for you. Chinese culture, pronounced in Chinese. Guanxi, a term used in Chinese culture to describe an individual's social network. Guanxi, Guanxi, Guanxi. It's easy once you know Guanxi, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.